definitive natural solution to snoring. Firstly, get a bottle of peppermint oil from the market. Then start boiling water in a large pot. After the water boils, drop about 6 drops of peppermint oil into it. You can adjust the number of drops of mint oil according to the size of the pot and the amount of water you put in it. However, even a small amount will be enough as it will cause a sharp aroma. In short, do not pour all of the mint oil. Add it little by little. Take the boiling mixture into a container and breathe deeply with your nose, slightly approaching the rising steam.